Welcome to Satya Skills. In this video, let us try to understand what is Negotiable Instrument and what is Negotiable Instruments Act, its definition and features. Negotiable instruments are freely transferable instruments. Example, checks and bills of exchange. Negotiable Instruments Act, due to specific features and the significance in trade and commerce, this special act was developed to govern negotiable instruments called Negotiable Instruments Act 1881. The act was passed in 1881 and it came into force on 1st March 1882. It has been amended very recently by the Banking, Public Financial Institutions and Negotiable Instruments Laws Amendment Act 1988 with effect from 30th December 1988. Negotiable Instruments Act deals with negotiable instruments and also governs the negotiable instruments. Section 13 of the Negotiable Instruments Act specified that negotiable instruments covered by the Act are promissory notes, bills of exchange and checks. Thus, according to the Act, these three are negotiable instruments. Now, let us look into the meaning. The term negotiable means transferable. Thus, a negotiable instrument is a document which can be freely transferable. Free transfer means that it does not require any formalities such as registration, supportive documents, etc. Any instrument which has easy transferability of title from one person to other in return of a consideration can be defined as a negotiable instrument. Example, checks, bills of exchange, drafts, hundies, warrants, etc. Definition. Section 13 of Negotiable Instruments Act defines negotiable instrument in the following way. Negotiable instrument means promissory note, bills of exchange or check payable either to order or to the bearer. Now let us look into the features. The first and most important feature is transferability. Negotiable instrument is freely transferable. Transfer of document does not require registration, etc. The rights in the negotiable instrument can be transferred by mere delivery, that is in case of bearer instruments, and can be transferred by endorsement on delivery with regard to the order instruments. Next one is transferee gets better title always. This is the special feature of negotiable instrument. The holder of the instrument or the document is the owner of the instrument. That's the meaning of it. In case of negotiable instrument, transferee gets better title by a simple endorsement or delivery of the instrument. Even if the transferor does not have good title, transferee can enjoy good title. Then that's why the holder of the instrument is the owner. That's all. Third feature is that transferee can sue. A negotiable instrument confers a right on the holder of the instrument to sue in his name. The transferor need not become part of the suit. That is why with regard to dishonor of checks, one must be very careful. Next, the last feature, important one, is no need of notice of transfer. That is another one. Holder of negotiable instrument can transfer the instrument to other party. There is no need of giving the notice of transfer of the instrument to the party who is liable on the instrument to pay. That's all in this video.